welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be making Nutella slime. You only need 4 simple ingredients: glue, Nutella, contact solution, and laundry detergent. Okay, so 1 scoop of Nutella. Cups of glue. One cup. That was 1 cup. To mix it. Okay. And then you need eye contact solution. Laundry detergent. Pour a little bit. Okay, and then now you see it's turning into slime. It smells good. And now you're gonna start playing with it until it turns into slime and sticks together. So I do a little bit, and then I start doing the whole thing. Let's do a little bit. There you have it, Nutella slime. This is the lighter one and this is the darker one. If you want it darker, just add more Nutella.